inside the Ford Everest Titanium, and I am here with Miss Girly Macalia, Ford Davao Sales Manager. We will be asking her questions about, simple questions lang naman about the Ford Everest, of course, para mas ganahan tayo na ito yung #1 car na pipiliin natin, lalo na sa mga may pamilya dyan. Diba, Miss Girly? Family car. So, eto na. Why moms should choose etong vehicle na to? Like the features.
Good morning, Miss R. Good morning, everyone. So, we're inside the Ford Everest. And as you've said, this is a family car. So, mommies are really family-oriented. Mommies want na in everything they do, kasali talagang buong family. So, capacity of the car is 8 persons. So, kasya lahat, mga anak niya, pati mga yaya niya. And if also entrepreneur siya, pwede rin siyang magkarga ng maraming business na doon sa likod. So, this is a perfect car for a family and for a business ng mga mommies.
Correct! I am here with Miss Katrina, of course. Other than that, the safety features, it also has ISOFIX, and being top of the line. So, lahat ng safety features, meron talagang Everest. Yes, absolutely. From airbags to seat belts. Yes. Kahit sa mga bata, ayan, present pa rin yung ISOFIX and all. Okay, second question. How much is this Ford Everest Titanium 4x2?
Ang Everest is, marami siyang variants or models. It ranges from Everest Trend, the entry level, up to our Everest 4x4 na titanium. So the price ranges really from 1,798,000. So from the lowest or entry level namin up to 2,374,000. So that's the Everest 4x4. In between that is the 4x2 variant for a lower price. And that 4x2 Everest 4x2 titanium is for as low as 188,000 for the 20% DP approval or down payment approval sa bank. So you can get this as low as that.
And this one, last question for Miss Girly. What is Ford Everest Titanium in one word?
One word. Di ba pwedeng one phrase?
Kahit dashboard pala yung makita mo sa Everest, one word that best describes this is luxurious.
Kasi hindi siya kasya sa one word. Nang naisip ko is jack of all trades.
Wow!
Yes, one phrase, jack of all trades. Pwede siya sa business, pwede siya sa family. Anything that you wanted to do in the Everest, pwede siya.
Yes, that is the word na hindi ko masabi, but I think that we really, yung parang impression ko na talaga with Everest. With the color pag yun, diba?
Yes.
It's white and it's
Sa mga gusto yung light color, the main favorite talaga for Everest is white.
white. My friend and I were talking about this car, and then I told her I think I would describe this as versatile.
Yes.
So that's it, diba? So tama ako with my impression.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Natay 3-point seatbelt dito sa likod, pati po sa third row and diri sa front So every seats na siya, ma'am. Ang iyang airbags na po is 6 airbags. Kaya since titanium siya, kaning nga variant ang naay dual front, upat sa side. Very technical ni siya, pero pag ang sakyanan na electronic stability program, as we know diri sa Ford or ESA for the other brands, na-prevent lang niya under or oversteering sa sakyanan. So mapansin mo na mga sakyanan nga walay stability program. So when you say active park assist, actually tabangan ka niya mo park. Namang ko yung mga clients nato nga malibog anang active park assist versus auto parking. So kani siya is active park assist. Na siya yung mga na siya assistance nga nakabutang diri sa yang screen. Ikaw na lang pod ang mag-check dito kung ipa-reverse ka niya or ipa-drive ka niya.
Hi, Yana. Hello, Yana. We are going to Mati. Night travel with Granny over there in front and Daddy driving. Nag-drive-thru lang sa Midiri karon sa McDo. One of the features that I also love about this is that it has the ambient lighting. There you go. So you can choose from red, ice blue, orange, soft blue, green, blue, or purple. Ito yun siya. Diyan natin nakikita. Ayan. So naka-red yung setting. So red yan. Let's make it purple. For example, this one. Purple. So purple siya. And pati dun sa feet area. We are now here sa Redulia Travelers in Mati City, Davao Oriental. So this Ford Everest Titanium brought us here sa Mati. Hello, baby!
Hello, I'm gonna bring the gold stone and the plastic stone.
Okay, my love. Then ayan si Daddy nandyan, setting up. And then nandun na naman si Mama. And yes, syempre, kulang ang Mati trip kung hindi ako makakuha ng footage dito. Kasi this is the Davao Oriental Provincial Government Office. Ayan. Ito muna tayo sa center. Look at that! There you go. Am I in the center? Yeah. Okay. We are going to Surf's Up Beach Resort. Yes, so thank you Ford Davao for allowing us to loan this vehicle. And finally, first time after 2 years ata, nakabalik na rin dito sa Mati. Yes, it's really my plan na etong Everest na ang naka-assign sa atin na vehicle. We will really go home. Hilak na si Mama nun. And of course, di kumpleto ang ating Mati experience kung wala tayong beach experience, diba? Kaya we are going to Surf's Up Beach Resort. Hello! We are now here nasa Surf's Up Resort. Nagmamask pa rin ako. But look at that view! Eng, eng, eng! Low tide. Nakaupo na dyan si Madam. Meron silang small pool dito. Ayan. So, ito yung itsura niya. Tapos, ang kaharap niya ay ganyan. Among the things that I love about this Everest Titanium is the safety and security features. It has lots of airbags around here. And of course, the seat belts. Lahat ng seats dito may seat belt. And aside from that, meron siyang ISOFIX para sa seat belt naman or sa car seat naman ng mga toddlers, ng mga bata, ng mga anak natin, di ba? Kasi kailangan din nila ng safety. O, dali, Shadi. Ay, Chaba.
Oy, dito na lang ka. Oy, dali ko.
Yes!
Mga nung daog Pilipinas.
Come on. Naka-plaster si Shadi, oh.
Oo, wait lang.
Plaster.
Out of it.